Hi, Gideon King from Gideon King and the City Blog. Just wanted to post this little launch video to let everyone know that we've started work on our new CD. We're about 35.6871% done. We have a title. It's called Broken and Beautiful. A lot of the same musicians from last time who sound great. Some great new musicians and vocalists. We're very proud of what we've done so far. It won't be out, however, for another year or so. So we will post video clips and audio clips so everybody knows what's going on and what the vibe is. In the meantime, we had nothing else to post on Facebook today, so here we are. And I hope everybody has a great spring. Thanks. Thank you.